top 3 most luxurious motorhomes in the world. Stop whatever you're doing right now. Sit back, focus, and don't even think about clicking away. Because what you're about to see will change the way you think about life on the road. For the next few minutes, I'm taking you inside rolling palaces so rare and so luxurious that even billionaires have to wait their turn. Watch closely, because by the time we reach number 1, you'll understand why these machines are the ultimate dream for anyone who loves the open road. Number 3. Range Rover Motorhome. The Range Rover Motorhome is the kind of creation that makes people stop mid-conversation and stare. It's the marriage of British prestige and the freedom of the open road, and it's already on the wish list of high-profile adventurers, luxury collectors, and those who want their travels to be as refined as their homes. I've even heard whispers of tech entrepreneurs and Hollywood producers quietly putting their names down for one. And honestly, once you see it, you'll understand why. From the outside, it's a vision of elegance and capability. The iconic Range Rover face is here, that confident grille, those piercing LED eyes. But now it flows into a long, sculpted motorhome body that looks like it was shaped by the wind itself. The paint is a deep obsidian metallic, shimmering with diamond dust flecks under the sun. Chrome accents trace the window lines, and the 24-inch forged alloy wheels sit like pieces of jewelry on all-terrain tires, ready for both the red carpet and the Rockies. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the lounge, a space that feels more like a private club than a vehicle. Plush diamond-stitched Napa leather seating wraps around in a gentle curve, each seat with heating, cooling, and massage functions. A panoramic glass roof floods the space with daylight, while at night soft ambient lighting sets the perfect mood for conversation or a quiet movie. The TV here isn't just a screen, it's a 65-inch 4K panel with a sound system tuned to make you forget you're on wheels. The kitchen is compact but crafted with precision. A flush-mounted induction cooktop, convection oven, and a temperature-zoned wine cooler sit beneath matte walnut cabinetry. A built-in espresso machine grinds fresh beans for the perfect morning start, and every drawer closes with a soft, silent glide. The bedroom is a sanctuary. A king-size memory foam bed dressed in Egyptian cotton sheets and a quilt so soft it feels like it's hugging you back. The lighting is warm and low, perfect for winding down after a day's drive. Even the driver's area is a work of art. The captain's chair is wrapped in soft grain leather, with every adjustment at your fingertips. The steering wheel feels solid yet smooth, and the digital dash gives you a clear, augmented view of the road ahead. Back outside, the Range Rover Motorhome stands as a statement of taste. Priced from around $1.2 million, it's not for everyone, but for those who can, it offers unmatched comfort, capability, and presence. It's the kind of motorhome that turns every journey into an event. Number 2. Lamborghini Motorhome. The Lamborghini Motorhome is pure theater on wheels. It's the answer to a question nobody dared to ask. What if a supercar could be your home? The kind of people who want this aren't just buying transport. They're buying a moving piece of Italian art. I've heard of billionaires, championship drivers, and even a certain political figure with a taste for gold interiors showing interest. Its exterior is impossible to ignore. Low, aggressive lines, a stance that looks ready to pounce, and a paint job in Lamborghini's signature Giallo Orion yellow that glows like molten metal in the sun. The Y-shaped LED lights, massive air intakes, and carbon fiber accents make it look like it's doing 100 mph even when parked. Inside, the lounge is a modern masterpiece. Alcantara and carbon fiber dominate with sculpted seating that hugs you in place. A hidden 8K OLED TV rises silently from the wall, paired with a Bang & Olufsen sound system that fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio. The kitchen is sleek and futuristic, induction surfaces that only activate with the right cookware, a smart fridge that orders groceries, and a champagne compartment because, well, it's a Lamborghini. The bedroom is indulgence defined, a floating king bed with underlighting, a retractable skylight for stargazing, and a quilt that feels like it was spun from clouds. The driver's cockpit is straight from a supercar, paddle shifters, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a start button under a red flip cover. Every drive feels like a performance. Step back outside and you're looking at a $3 million statement of speed and style. It's outrageous, impractical for most, but for those who can, it's the ultimate way to arrive anywhere. Number 1. American Coach Motorhome. The American Coach is the undisputed king of the road. It's the choice of touring musicians, CEOs, and yes, even names like Elon Musk who want to cross the country in absolute comfort. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving luxury estate. From the outside, it's commanding. A towering sculpted body finished in pearl white with deep blue and silver accents. Chrome detailing catches the light, and the panoramic windshield offers a cinematic view of the road ahead. Inside, the lounge is pure comfort. Plush leather recliners, a full-size sofa, and a 65-inch 4K TV above a modern fireplace. The atmosphere is warm, inviting, and built for long evenings on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped. Granite countertops, a full-size stainless steel fridge, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a dishwasher. Everything feels solid, built to last, and designed for real cooking. The bedroom is a retreat, a California king bed with premium bedding and a quilt that wraps you in warmth. There's a walk-in closet, soft lighting, and a sense of calm that makes you forget you're in a vehicle. The driver's area is a captain's dream. A leather throne with full electronic adjustments, a digital dash, and a panoramic view that makes every mile a pleasure. Back outside, the American Coach stands as a symbol of reliability and prestige. Starting at around $900,000, it offers unmatched comfort, engineering, and presence. It's the motorhome that makes the entire country feel like your backyard. And there you have it, 3 motorhomes that redefine luxury travel. Which one would you choose if money was no object? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the world of ultimate luxury on wheels.